Switch the switch right here.
Okay.
Now let's rewind it.
Turn the light on. You were a great help in making these films. Dad showed you how, huh?
Always a man of few words. Should talk more, Rob. Honestly.
You never told me that, Mom.
Who's this? Rick. About 15. Cutie.
You were a big help too, Rick.
Who's coughing?
I'll help you with that in a minute. We're going to show this to Grandma during Thanksgiving, Rob.
Where does this go?
That slips right in the lid of the box you just touched. Down there. Right down in there. Slip it under the lid. That's right. Careful. Good job, Rick. It goes in your closet. On the opposite side is your closet.
Don't punch your hand through the door. Trying to get it open. Very good. I think I still have that shirt, Rob.
These are a few scenes of our new office.